Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a VPN connection to your iOS device. This will work on all iPhones and iPads and will work on most versions of iOS within probably the past 5 or 6 years, so I wouldn't worry too much about which version you're running. I'm going to show a couple of methods on how to do this in this video, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so the way I'm going to do this video is the first half of it, I'm going to show you how to add the details manually through settings. And then in the second half, I'm going to show you how to do it via an app with its built-in VPN connection. So I'll show you those two methods in this video. And if you want to choose one or the other, you can skip to that section of the video in the time descriptions below. Alright, so what you'll need to do is, if you're adding it manually, what you do is go to Settings, then scroll down to General, then go all the way to the bottom where it says VPN. Click VPN and then you can click Add VPN Configuration. Here you can see all the different details such as the type of VPN you're adding, and you can choose any one of those. Description, server, remote ID, authentication, and also the proxy, where it can be off, manual, or on auto. And if you have all the details to be able to fill out this page with your VPN connection, then you can just fill this out and then it will add the VPN manually and then it will work that way. However, for most people, I think it's actually going to be simpler just to use a VPN app with its built-in VPN connection, so you don't have to go through all these complicated configuration profiles. So we'll just click cancel on that and we'll go back to the main page of settings and we'll go out of it. Now there's many different apps you can choose for VPN connections. So there's some free ones, there's paid ones out there, but today I've just chosen a free one and I haven't done much research about it, so I don't know if it's any good or if it's very secure or anything like that, but it's just for today's demonstration purposes. So the app I'm going to use is called Proton VPN. It's the green app there. And just so I can show you how to get it, you can just search for Proton VPN in the App Store, and then you can just click on it and then click the Get button and then open it when it's downloaded. So now what we'll do is open up Proton VPN. You will need to create an account and sign in with them. And then once you've signed in, the free version comes with free locations. So there's one for Japan, the Netherlands, and the United States. And then if you upgrade, you get many more countries. So for today's demonstration, I'll show you how to use it for the United States. So what we'll do is we'll click the power button on the United States one. And then it will say connecting to the United States. And it says here, Proton VPN would like to add VPN configurations. It says all network activity on this iPhone may be filtered or monitored while using this VPN. What you'll need to do now is click allow. Like so, it will take you to the VPN page in settings. And then it says touch ID to add VPN configuration. So I'll just do that now. It might require a passcode. And then it says connected to the United States. And now you'll notice that it now says has a little VPN icon in the top left of the display. So if I go out of this app and then back into it, it will show your carrier. In this case, I don't have a SIM card in this phone, with your Wi-Fi or 4G/5G, and then it will have VPN on there. So now you can see that the VPN is running. And now what we can do is go to Safari and then go to a website. Let's just go to Apple for the demonstration purposes. And you can see it is still loading the website. Now you'll notice that it might be a little bit slower because it's running on a VPN. And now I'm located in Australia, but now because we're connected to the United States, it's actually thinking that we're in the United States. But you can see it's loaded the website just fine, but we can click continue to get specific information. But yeah, so it's basically connects to the United States now. Because this is a free one, I'm not sure whether this will be any good for like video streaming for overseas or anything like that. And I could tell that the speed was a little bit slower than what it would usually be because it was running through a VPN. So that's where some of your paid ones like NordVPN, I know is a good one, and some other ones would come into play there. But if you just want a free one, you can just choose a free one like Proton VPN, although I would recommend doing some research on it before you go and jump into it, just to make sure that it fits your needs well. Now, when you're done with it, you can then just click the power button on the country you're on to disable the VPN. You'll see that little VPN icon has just disappeared and it now says not connected. Now, if you want to delete the VPN profile, so you're sort of done with your VPN, you want to remove it from the iOS device completely, what you can do is go to your settings, and we'll just go back so I can show you, and you'll go to General, down to VPN, and you'll see it has Proton VPN on there. What you can do is just disconnect it by clicking that status bar, and then you can just click the little I next to Proton VPN or whatever the name of the VPN is that you have, and then you can just click the delete VPN button at the bottom here and then just click delete, and now you'll see that is completely removed the VPN profile. So yeah, that's a super quick and easy process on how to add a VPN profile to your iOS device. And it is good to allow you to access content from overseas or just be a little bit more secure. But I, once again, do recommend that you do your research about which one will work best for your needs and which is the most secure, safe, and fastest. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful in giving you the method to add a VPN profile to your iOS device, and you've had some good success in doing so. Thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Let me know any video suggestions down in the comments below that you would like to see on this channel, because I'm more than happy to make them if you would like to see them. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.